Hey superstars, it's your girl Almond Duchess and I'm back with another video. And today's look will be on this. It is pretty much like a natural yet dramatic look. I only call it dramatic because of my bottom lashes, which I use scraps from my actual lashes that I measured. You know, the pieces you cut off, I actually save them. Don't spread stuff like this with it. Hair stuff for today is just a good lower pony. And let's get into the
Hey guys, as you can see, I'm just adding the primer to my skin before I start doing everything, just prepping it to get everything nice and smooth. Foundation is key. Now I'm applying my jade green contacts because that was just the look I was going for today. Now I'm going to take my black eyeliner and apply it to the lower lash line, and I'm going to go over it as many times until I get the desired look. From the outer corner of my eye, I'm going to draw a line going out towards the end of my brow. And then I'm going to go to the middle of my eyelid and draw a line so it connects to the line I just drew at the bottom. Then I will fill it in. Starting from the inner corner, I'm going to just draw a line till they connect in the middle. And then I will just fill it in to get the desired look. Okay, let's check it out. Oh, thanks, bird. Hey. Now I'm just adding my foundation, and once I'm done, I'm going to take my setting spray and spray it onto my kabuki brush and start blending it into my skin by pressing it in. Now I'm going to take my concealer and highlight under my eye, my chin, down my nose brim, my forehead, above my lip, and underneath of my cheekbones. Now I'm going to spray my fat foundation brush with my setting spray and get to blending this concealer into my skin. Now I'm going to take my darkest shade of concealer and start to contour my face, starting with my cheekbone, my forehead, my nose brim. Taking that same flat concealer brush, I'm just going to blend that into the skin by pressing it in, going upward. Now I'm just going to add some blush to add some color into the face. Going in with a bronzer, I'm just going to set the concealer that I placed to contour my face. Now I'm going to take my translucent powder and set all the areas on my face that I highlighted. And no, I do not bake, I just press it into my skin as I go along. I found out that that works best for me. I do not get no ashy cast afterwards like I do when I bake. Now I'm going to take my Angel Glow highlight and just highlight the inner corners of my eyes, my eyebrow bone, down my nose brim, my cheekbones, etc. Now it's time to set my face, so I'm going to take my setting spray and just spray it all over my face and fan it to dry. And there you go. Now I'm going to take a liquid liner and darken the mole on the side of my lip and add a mole on my cheek. Using a brown lip liner, I'm just going to line my lips up until I get the desired look that I'm going for. Now I'm going to take my Clear Embrace lip gloss and just apply it onto my lips and get it nice and glossy. Here I'm just adding a little more of my brown lip liner just to give it the tint that I was looking for on the bottom lip. Now I'm just going to go in and add my lower lashes down to the lower lash line to give it this dramatic effect.
Hey superstars, just want to thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, baby. You know my motto, tell a friend and tell a friend.